Here's how to get the most out of your Cyclone dryer. Turn the dial to your chosen laundry routine. Adjust dry level for extra dryness, or use time dry to set your own timer so it runs as long as you need. If your machine isn't responding, check if your child lock is on. And if it is, simply deactivate it and hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And there you go. Deactivated. No issues even if you're drying your laundry when you're away. With anti-crease, this dryer tumbles every 10 minutes after the cycle to prevent wrinkles. Of course, you'd want your clothes to come out smelling fresh. You can insert an aroma capsule inside the lint filter screen before you start the load. For crispy, fresh and warm laundry, set Delay Start to have your laundry ready the moment you get home. Just select your end time and go. Lastly, remember to clean the lint filter regularly, as well as to empty out the water tank. Or for a fuss-free method, opt for the drainage hose. After each cycle, don't forget to leave the door open for ventilation. There you go! Perfect dryness served to you every single time. Enjoy your Cyclone!